My name is Jerred Wilson. I'm the CTO for Flogistix. We recently created a new methane leak detection and repair capability, a new business that we call air methane. So air methane is, we have a fleet of drones that we've attached various sensors to, including the Sierra Ventus OGI camera. So we've been able to obviously attach this to the M300. It's fully integrated with our industrial IoT system that we call Axle. We're able to glean the data off of that sensor and ingest it into that platform and expose it to customers so that they have direct access to both real-time data, scheduled data, and recurring site inspections. We work with a lot of the largest operators in the nation, so because we're an oil and gas company and we are experts in oil and gas field equipment, when we find a leak, we have the expertise to participate in fixing that. The quality of the data that we get and the accessibility of that data is much higher with the Sierra camera. So we've been able to ingest that much easier and expose it to our customers much quicker. There's a lot of vendors jumping into this space, so the sensor market especially is very broad and varies a lot. So, and we have three unique sensor types: the OGI cameras, the laser, and then we have a sniffer. Those capabilities, like I said, have varied a lot. The Sierra Ventus OGI camera obviously is top of the line. We've seen that work great. Where I see the future going is, in addition to identifying parts per million in a given space, being able to quantify the entire plume, that's where we're going to see a lot of differentiation in the market. Most of the oil and gas companies that we work with truly do want to be good stewards of the resources that we have. So we've been able to help complement their broader ESG solutions. So having a web-based portal for these customers to be able to go on and see either that they have a clean bill of health or that they had a minor leak, and we've been able to address it and be able to go back and prove that and complement their entire ESG picture. So that's where we've been able to facilitate their success.